I'm about to eat all these. Okay, ready?
All those nerds. She did another one before that. All of them do. Oh. Let me see your mouth.
Oh.
Ew. You have a pink one in your mouth. Just to let you know, her name is Brittany and my name is Sam. Okay, stop. That's weird. Nerds. Oh wait, there's some in here. There's one. Eat that one. Eat it! There's one still in there. Oh my god! Where'd it go? It's not there no more. You're so mean. Wait, let me see your mouth now. Yeah, look at that. You like that. You like that, people. I said you like that. What are you typing? Okay, here. You done?
Yes.
Say bye.
Bye.